Welcome to 4502 Barbera Street in the Badger Mountain South community of Richland, Washington. Residents here enjoy spectacular views of Badger Mountain, Candy Mountain, Red Mountain, and Rattlesnake Mountain off in the distance. And the low-maintenance yard will leave you plenty of free time to go out and enjoy those mountains. Just off the front entry is the perfect private office, complete with partially opaque glass French doors. The open-concept central living area is located quietly to the rear of the house and enjoys large, sun-kissed windows. The chef's kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, slab granite countertops, and a gas range. The corner gas fireplace will set the mood and warm your heart on those cool evenings. The master suite is on the main level for quick and convenient access. The spacious master closet should hold everything nicely. The master bath includes a double vanity with granite and separate shower and master tub. The laundry room has a folding counter and deep utility sink. At the top of the stairs is another large living space with plenty of sunlight as well. There are 3 additional large bedrooms up here, and a full bath, also with dual vanities. Out back, a large covered patio provides some relaxing shade from the warm afternoon summer sun. Come on out to Badger Mountain South. Contact Bob Moon for your private showing.